Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Deden Aprilia and I will tell about my bad experience. I would like to tell you about my bad experience I had when I was 17 years old. I never imagined I would be in that position. Now, when I remember how tense and scary it was, it still scares for me. 3 years ago, I was diagnosed with a tumor. Actually, I felt a lump in my teeth since I was in junior high school. But because I was afraid, I didn't tell anyone about it, including my parents. Until the time when I felt it was best to tell my parents because the volume of the lump grew. My prediction was right. My mom was worried and asked me to go to the hospital, which I didn't want. I went to the hospital and the doctor diagnosed the lump as a tumor and needed surgery. I was so scared to hear surgery. A child who is afraid of needles must deal with anesthesia, intravenous needles, and surgery. This really makes me depressed. A few days later, my surgery was scheduled. When I was asked to enter the operating room, I was very afraid and supported by the cold atmosphere, which was increasingly tense. I can only surrender and pray that everything will be fine. First, my back was injected for anesthesia, and then the oxygen was put in my nose. Parts of my body were covered so that I could not see the surgical process. After the surgery was complete, I was moved to the waiting room for a few minutes before being transferred to the inpatient room. In the inpatient room, I was only accompanied by my mother because during COVID, it was limited to only a companion. I was treated for 2 days in hospital and then recovered at home. The difficult part is when it is difficult to move and you have to change the bandage every time. The last part was removing the stitches after several weeks, which felt quite painful for me who has a low pain tolerance level. So that was a bad experience that I didn't expect. The first time I entered the hospital and simultaneously entered to the surgery room, going through difficult healing times. This was terrible and I don't want this to happen again. Okay, that's all. Thank you.